Hello class, let's continue. In our last videos, we have talked regarding what do we understand by the two houses of the parliament, the functions of the parliament, the powers of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, right? And today let's discuss or start our discussion with the next topic, that is types of bill. How many types of bill are there? Okay, so when it comes to the topic types of bill, we already know that there are two forms of bill. Okay, that is money bill and non-money bill. And as you can see over here in the picture, just beside money bill there are two forms of bill, that is a government bill and private members bill. Now government bill are those bill which are been introduced either by a minister or by a member of the Council of States or the House of Representatives. Okay, so any bill which is introduced by a minister, it comes under your government bill. Okay, now beside a bill which has been introduced by a minister, okay, that means by some other person, that bill comes under your private members bill. Okay, so these are your two forms of money bill. Now as you can see, under non-money bill, again it has been distributed into two sections. Ordinary bill, that means the bill which is not related with money purposes, that is your ordinary bill. That means beside money or beside the bill which includes the money, the other bills comes under your ordinary bills. Okay, now constitutional amendment bills are basically those bills which involves the reformation, which involves the amendment in the constitution. Okay, that means changes in the constitution which has already been there. So bring those changes, or to bring out those changes in the constitutional bill, the amendments, that means the change which you need to take place or which you want to have in the constitution, will be referred as your constitutional amendment bill. Okay, so the changes that will be taken place is under article 109 section 1, that a money bill shall not be introduced in the Council of States. That means any bill which is related to money has to be introduced first in the Lok Sabha. Okay, Council of States, that means Rajya Sabha, has nothing to do, it has no role to play for introducing any bill that is related to money bill. Is it clear? So article 109 deals with that the Council of State has nothing, it doesn't have the power to introduce the money bill in the house. Okay, so these are the types of bills, okay, which is required to be done in the chapter.